Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Gary Foods, and I just want to hope everybody had a wonderful holiday season. As you can tell, mine was a little bit rough.
Order the jalapeno burger. Order the jalapeno burger. Order the jalapeno burger.
We got cheese, we got butter, we got chives. I really wanted green onions. You can add green onions if you want to, but chives and green onions will work for what we're trying to do. Jalapeno, of course, so we can keep it bold. Hot sauce, Dijon mustard, flour. So we want to go ahead, add that butter. I already hit it. Boom. Don't let it start up everywhere, but I say about a good spoon. Bad, be good. A little bit. You want a thick sauce. You just want to add a little cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, enough for just one burger's worth. I think that'll be good. That's why you call it the Stone Cold beer cheese.
Wash it down with 1 beer, 2 beers, 3 beers.
Perfect. You can use green onions, but I prefer chives. That's enough. 1, boom.
Order the jalapeno burger.
Boom. Flip that around. Boom. We don't flex fit the internet. We show what's real at all times. We keep it raw. We keep it Monday night raw, don't we? We're gonna cut these jalapenos down.
He is the man. Well, the cast of jumping up is over here, giving themselves a beer bath.
Boom. That's what you want. Just like that. Take it back. You got your chives in there. Boom. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. A little salt, you know what I'm saying? Salt bring everything together, heighten everything. Tabasco hot sauce. If you don't, but all you're missing right now is just some Dijon mustard. Just go ahead and throw that in there. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna whisk that together. That's gonna really bring out the flavor of everything else along with the salt that you added before. Get it nice and salty too. Y'all know the sound.
Action at SummerSlam, and the rattlesnake is giving him his receipt.
Red wine vinegar.
Give me a hell yeah.
Like to keep make sure your burger don't dry out. That's all this is about. You know what I'm saying? Make sure your burger don't dry out. Keep it nice and moist. Upside down with that butter on there. Just get them nice and crispy. Bit loose, but that's all good. It's still gonna be a burger. Golly. Fresh onion. The crispy onion. And then the beer cheese. Y'all watching?
What?
Y'all have a good one.
Order the jalapeno burger.